Hello guys, hope you are doing great. This is one of my dynamic Unity simulation demo I did in Unity about industrial impacts on environment. Everything you see is completely dynamic and can change according to the status of the industry, so it reacts in real time. This is just a demo. The real deal I will read in high definition render pipeline, the high quality Unity render. That means today I won't do Blender tutorial as I usually do. This is just a showcase demo video of one of my Unity simulation of industrial waste impact on environment, so let's talk today. If you are curious, yes, I'm doing Unity games and simulation development too aside from Blender. Also, I'm Android engineer, so I do develop full stack Android apps from front end with clean UI to the complex backend logics. It's just I never upload those contents, but I will do in some future videos, but mostly showcase videos only of my projects. But if you guys are curious enough, you can request so I can release a full tutorial from scratch. From modeling to codes if you need, just comment below. If you are many, maybe I can drop a series tutorial. Okay, here are some of my simulations, but for now let's focus with industrial simulation. I may upload my virtual lab simulation too very soon. By the way, in this project I used Unity Universal Render Pipeline. So I model in Blender then import everything here except for terrain, which I use terrain tools and terrain system in Unity. It's simple environment just to represent this. In future DAOs, I will remaster this project and made a much better and realistic version using Unity High Definition Render Pipeline because it's always much more realistic. For now, just explore the environment. So this water system is just a water texture animated. It's not a real-time water simulation for simplicity. It will be used to show effect of industry on water sources. These cows are static, so they will just present an idea of animals dying. These houses will be showing the impact of acidic rainfall caused by industrial sulfur dioxide gas produced and get deposited to the sky. Yeah, I place multiple houses to mimic the village. And here is where we will see which harmful gas is produced by industry to the sky. And there will be indicator words on the sky to tell us what gas is deposited on the sky, and the effects will be visible in real time. This is a sample industry with furnace and some very basic logics in it. Now let's enter play mode and see the real simulation in action. This is start menu. It got all customized controls I assigned. You can read this description carefully to understand clearly what is happening. We will start exploring from here, outside the simple factory. Read the UI elements and sliders to be aware of what each slider do, because these are what controls the whole simulation. At the beginning, the simulation starts with clean environment, no pollution, and the factory is not working yet. I put your slider to mimic the effect in certain amount of time. For now, just look what is going on. From now on, I will be tweaking sliders and see the effects in the environment in real time. You can see the sky is clean, vegetations are good, and environment looks fine. Even clouds are clean. Now you can see what gas going in atmosphere. Even houses are affected by acidic rainfall caused by the sulfur dioxide in the atmosphere caused by the industry. You can see corrosions in the houses and in the metals in the environment. Because of acidic rainfall, the whole environment is affected. The vegetation are affected.
These cows and goats did a great job in tipping. You get the concept that they are a dead man. Also, there is contaminated water from industry here. We can control it too, and we can see what it does to the environment in real time.
You can see have changed, and only trees around a water body have dried, meaning this wastewater coming from industries untreated has huge effect on killing plants. Only plants near water body affected by wastewater from industry get affected. And here is cool detail. If water is contaminated, the effect shows more on the edges of water bodies than fish dies. This is much more a love, I guess, because waste always tends to deposit on beds on water bodies. I had a camera switching once I pressed spacebar for fast navigation and looking only into these places. You can see if the sky is clean too. This is the point where there is no industrial activities going on. Basically, you can see the effect of each industrial waste to the environment in real time. I can just press or key to reset everything to clear condition when environment is not affected yet. See gases going on the sky, see the way smoke changes accordingly. If you are curious, the water from industry and the gases is just a particles system, which are triggered BT the code. Also, I added this functionality to just see the aftermath effects after the acidic rainfall to just view raw destructed environment without having rain. I love this demo I have created. I can imagine if I remaster this in high definition render pipeline, guys. It will be cinematic AF. Okay, now let's take a look at codes. The overview. I want to explain Lenny Beeline, or anything. The naming explain itself, so pay attention to the script names because they explain what they do. In here there are 51 scripts of code with total lines of code above 9,000 plus. So you can see the way there are a lot of lines, so I will just show you the overview. As I say, pay attention to scripts names,
because otherwise you can't understand what is going on here.
you.